can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today I'm gonna be actually bringing y'all the biggest unboxing I've ever done on this channel. It's probably like $1,000 worth of stuff right here, and I normally don't do these big ass unboxings, but there's just so much shit I have to open up, and honestly I didn't feel like splitting it in two videos. If you guys want to see $1,000 mystery box unboxing, smash the like button. If this video hits like 200 to 300 likes, I'll buy $1,000 mystery box, and I most likely will sell everything in the mystery box and start a whole new series with it. So let me know if y'all would like to see that, but go ahead and smash the like button down below if you want to see more unboxings like this. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, let me know what y'all would like to see down below. Click the Gleam link if you want to enter in a Supreme Kermit canvas giveaway. Go ahead and click the Gleam link if you want to do that. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So before we go ahead and open all this stuff right here, I am gonna link some of the tech stuff that I do open in the video down below in the description, just in case you guys are interested. I did buy some cool stuff for the room, but let's go ahead and open some shit up. So first we're gonna start off with this package right here. I do have a feeling this is Supreme because I already know what their packages look like, and honestly I got a shit ton of Supreme, so I kind of got the gist of what it is. There's packages from like 3 weeks or 4. We got these 2 red BOGOs right here, and then we do have this little pouch, which is the little utility pouch that came out. I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you guys real quick so I can show y'all what it looks like. We got the Supreme utility pouch right there, little Cordura tag, Supreme box logo right there. Size of my hand is this, and this is the pouch. It's kind of like one of the smaller shoulder bags, so it's not bad, honestly. It does have a strap, I'm assuming, on the inside right here, but this is really short, so I would probably get one of the straps from these back here and put it on this, one of the thinner black ones. But this is fire, I'm not gonna lie. Blue one is super clean, and I also really did like the camo one as well. But right here we do got the blue utility pouch. I forgot what week this came out. Got the Cordura tag right there, all that good shit. So that blue utility pouch was the first package. The second thing we have up is this tee right here, which is probably one that I'm raffling off, but this is the Persistence of Time tee. Y'all won't be able to see it in the bag, but we do have it right here, and since I am raffling this off, I don't really want to open it. So right here we do got the Persistence of Time in white. This is raffled though, so let's throw that to the side. Right here we do have another package that is Supreme. I got this from Hype Drop, which was a company that I worked with a little while ago, where we opened online mystery boxes, and I actually ended up winning this box logo beanie right here. And shit, for as much flack as they get, I actually did get my beanie. It has the tag right there, dead stock. I'm gonna go ahead and open it for y'all so you can see, but box logo beanie actually looks authentic. They came through, I'm not gonna lie. This beanie right here is super clean, has the little thing on top, New Era on the back right there, got the world famous. It looks authentic in my opinion. The box looks authentic as well. We do have the tags on the inside, I'm assuming, which is the Supreme New Era tags. Yeah, this is authentic, bruh, and they came through. Got that box logo beanie. Now we about to get into another package, and we about to get into these right here. I did pre-open some of these packages simply because some of the shit I wanted to make sure it was good, and some of this other shit I didn't want to waste y'all time opening it on the video, so I might try and do it on the B-roll before I record. But for now, shit is open. We got this piece right here, which is this Vlone piece with Juice WRLD. This is actually pretty fire, I'm not gonna lie. It's like this little earth that's actually cracking, and it has the Vlone right there. This is the back of the shirt, and then on the front we got this graphic right here. It's like a worldwide, and I don't know what the fuck the inside of that says. Probably Juice WRLD. It's fire, bruh. This is a clean ass piece, and the quality isn't too bad. We got that 999 loan right there, which is Vlone. Super clean piece. That Vlone on the back right there looks super sexy, I'm not even gonna lie. They did drop some barbed wire ones that were pretty hard as well, and some hoodies, but I just went with the tee in all black. Quality isn't bad, like I said before. Got that Juice WRLD right there, 999 loan on the top right there, and that's that Vlone Juice WRLD Off-White Vlone ones. Next up, we did grab 3 of these magazines from Zoomies. I'm gonna just show y'all one for the sake of the video, but I did get 3, and honestly, if they still have them there, I might go ahead and scoop up some more. But the main reason why I even even grab this right here was this poster. Not even this one. This is a Converse poster. Was this poster right here. In case y'all didn't know, that is Tyshawn Jones, and he is in the Supreme skate team. That's the only reason I got this right here. Tyshawn Jones on the back once again. But since he is on the skate team, we got the poster that has the Supreme at the bottom. It also has a couple other brands that he's probably sponsored by, like Fucking Awesome, Spitfire, Mob Grip Tape. We got the Adidas right there. I can't see this on the other side. This shit's hard right there. Then I don't know if this is him as a kid, but this is the other side of the poster, which is also fire in my opinion. I would definitely put both of these up in my room. Got that Supreme at the bottom as well. Super clean, so I had to go ahead and scoop up 3 of those magazines. That was just a light pickup. They are like $5, but I feel like down the line they'll be worth something, so I went ahead and scooped them. It don't hurt. Right here is the most recent package I got, and it was from Supreme this week, so by that y'all probably know what this is. Got that Supreme bag right there. I actually got a sticker pack, which I didn't even know they were doing, but we got 2 Tokihira, Norihira stickers, some shit like that, and the Supreme sticker right there. It's good to have it for the collection's sake, I guess, but we do got this Zippo right here. Super clean, bro. That diamond plate Zippo. I honestly don't even know if this shit is focused, but we got that diamond plate on the front. It's actually imprinted. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it's like a plate on there. It's not actually like a print, and you got that little box logo, which is engraved right there or embossed. Super fire Zippo in my opinion. I feel like these will go up down the line. I'm gonna definitely leave this closed because I feel like it will go up, even though they're for retail right now. Like, I don't know why people buy and sell for retail. Like, what's the point of even purchasing shit, to be honest? Zippo right here, super clean. This is gonna stay in the collection for a while, probably on display just like this. If I ever want to sell it, make that money back, but clean piece, definitely gonna stay in the collection for a while. I might go ahead and toss this shit up right here. Bang, fuck it. Let's continue with this unboxing. There's hella shit to open. Probably I'm halfway through it now. Right here, I'm gonna talk about some tech pickups. I am gonna link this down below. This is actually a light bulb that you could change the colors on it. It isn't like the Hue lights because it isn't as expensive. This light bulb right here was probably like $12. I did grab 2 of these, and the cool thing about this is that you can make it a regular light. I'm gonna show y'all probably in the B-roll as I'm talking right now. You can make it a regular light, or you could change the colors on it all through your phone. And if you have Alexa or anything like that, you could do it through there. It's super clean, honestly. It is voice control, and I feel like if you get a lot of these for your room, it would be sick because you can make it either white or color. When you're using the different color light though, it is a little bit dimmer, which makes sense, but if you use the white light, it's way brighter. I'm gonna show y'all probably in the B-roll like I said before, but these were pretty clean. I'm gonna go ahead and link them down below in case you guys want to go ahead and get these. I also did pick up an air humidifier, or whatever the fuck this shit is called right here. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all on the B-roll once again. This shit is fire because you could put like whatever scent you want into the water, and it just makes your air feel cleaner. It makes your room smell better. It's just really good to have. I'm gonna probably go ahead and buy another one of these. This was like $15 or $16 aside of the actual scent that you have to get for it. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend the one that they link with it. I would probably just buy whatever scent you personally like more. It's better than having a variety pack that you only like 2 from, which makes sense, but this is fire right here. Honestly, one of my favorite pickups. Definitely a vibe. All right, so next up we had this big ass package right here. This is probably another Supreme package. Like, this is a big ass Supreme package. I got this one weeks ago. I don't even remember what week this was, but the first thing I got from here was this beanie. This was that Raiders joint. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna keep this one, but it looks pretty clean, I guess. I should have went for the black colorway, but that Raiders isn't too bad in this cream tannish color. Supreme Arc logo on the back. You got the NFL branding and all that, the 47 brand or whatever the hell this is right here. We do got some more stickers. Let's get it. I got the Molotov Kid. I do like doubling up on some of these stickers, and I doubled up on that one. Got the Rider sticker in black, which I don't have, and then we got the red Supreme sticker. Super clean right here. Super clean sticker pack right there, but this beanie goes crazy. Got that 2-sided Supreme Raiders action. I don't know how I feel about the fit. This shit looks like it fits big as hell. If I don't end up liking it, I would raffle it, but if I do, it's gonna be kept. Then second up, we had this classic ad joint right there. This hoodie to me is probably one of the better ones this season. I don't care what nobody says. Specifically in this colorway, it's just too clean. You can wear this shit with so much, honestly. Got that Supreme classic logo right there. Dude man's got the Supreme T. You got the Supreme BOGO on homie right here. This is the first Supreme ad that they ever paid for or something like that. This is nostalgic. I feel like down the line this would go up. Got the classic logo. Honestly, I just wish that this was stitched on and not not printed, but it is what it is. Still fire. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this hoodie right here is a vibe. I feel like this is gonna look nice with one of the other pieces that I picked up that y'all will see in a little bit right here. But this is so clean, dude. Definitely a fire pickup in my opinion. Let me know what y'all think down below. I feel like these hoodies are super slept on. A lot of people didn't cop, and I feel like down the line this shit is gonna be worth a lot. So glad I got this Supreme Classic Ad hoodie in the olive colorway right there. All right, so we got two more pickups. My homie Brian from BOGO Boys Discord. I don't know if y'all know, but I am in BOGO Boys. Go ahead and give them a follow. Try and find out when they're gonna be accepting more people, because honestly, like 20 plus people cooked Travis Scott's. Hey, it was a lot of W's going around. I didn't take a W, but that's just the way life goes. A lot of people did take a W, but that's besides the point. Brian actually hooked it up and he plugged me with this pickup right here. I actually had to order by phone. I never did that shit as a sneakerhead. It was always online for me, and I feel like back in the day people had to do shit by phone, because one of my uncles used to call East Bay to get the kicks. But shout out to Brian, shout out to St. Alfred in Chicago. They actually had the pair of sneakers that I was looking for. Honestly, this and the Jordan 1 Travis Scott's are equal to me. Maybe not. These are probably better, honestly, but we do got the kicks in here. They actually gave me the stickers. Then in here we got the mystical kicks, bruh. The magical sneakers. I'm about to take these shits out the package for y'all one time for the one time. These are sexy, bruh. Come on. Come on. These shits are fire. Nike Air on the back. Nike Air on the tag right there. This is a nostalgic colorway. You cannot go wrong with these right here. Come on. Nike Air on the back. Beautiful bottom right there. Jordan Bred 4s for your head top. Had to get these for that hole right there. Y'all already know that's exactly where they're gonna go. These and black cement 3s are the ones for me. Like, this is it. This is it right here. This is the sneaker I wanted. The Durabuck on the front isn't the best quality, but it's just the way. I don't care. I just wanted these right here. That's all I needed. Now I'm gonna probably have to pay resale for the Travis Scott's, and now I'm good after that. These shits are super crazy. I do have one more pickup to show y'all, and we gonna get straight up out of here. I feel like this video is long as shit, so my bad. It is what it is. Y'all wanted to see the unboxing, I brought y'all the unboxing. But last up, we got this package right here, which is most likely from Supreme once again, man. In this one, we got two regular box logos. So right here, we have this knife. Y'all already know I always try and cop the knives when it comes to Supreme. This is the Victorinox Supreme knife. I don't know if that's how you say it, but we got that Supreme branding on the box. You got it on this as well. Go ahead and open this up. You got that Supreme knife right there. Super clean piece in my opinion. It is pretty small, honestly, but it's not half bad. I'm honestly rating this right here. The black colorway is so crispy in my opinion. Right here, we got the knife. It's actually pretty small. I'm gonna go ahead and open it for y'all, but there's not much going on. You got the little knife, the nail filer, and you got the scissors, and it has Supreme on both sides, which is a pretty clean touch in my opinion. You got this little rope, which is kind of like a tactical rope. I don't know, but I've seen military people use that type of rope. And low-key, that's pretty much it, y'all. I showed y'all hella shit. Let me know what y'all thought about this video. We got some Vlone, some Jordans, like literally hella Supreme, some tech shit, some poster action. It was just a lot of lit shit that I opened. Let me know what y'all thought about this video. Smash the like button and share it with somebody if y'all enjoyed the content. I'm trying to up it a little by a little. And if y'all see my room, bruh, y'all gonna think it's pretty lit, bruh, because honestly, I feel like there's nothing else I could even do in here. Like, but leave a like, comment down below if you're down to see that room tour. Also, let me know if y'all want them $1,000 mystery boxes, because those videos will be coming on a weekly to every 2-week basis. Let me know what y'all think. Click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you want to enter in the giveaway, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel